Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on AI's role and impact in the SMS and text messaging journey within modern contact centers. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming every step of the customer messaging experience, from understanding the intent behind a message to delivering fast, personalized, and proactive responses. Let's begin this journey and see how AI is reshaping customer engagement in the SMS era. Let's begin with Smart Message Understanding, powered by Natural Language Processing, or NLP. In a real-world contact center, customers often send short, informal messages, sometimes with typos, abbreviations, or even slang. This is where NLP steps in as the intelligent interpreter. It reads each SMS, understands the true intent behind the words, and translates it into clear, structured information for the system or the agent. For example, when a customer types BAL PLS, the AI instantly recognizes it as balance please, no confusion, no delay. This ensures that the right response or action follows immediately. The impact? Fewer misunderstandings, faster responses, and a smoother customer experience. Customers feel heard, while agents spend less time clarifying and more time solving problems. In short, Smart Message Understanding turns raw, unstructured text into actionable insights, making every conversation clear, accurate, and efficient. Next, let's talk about AI-powered autoresponses, the ultimate time savers in the SMS journey. In most contact centers, a significant portion of messages are repetitive or routine. Customers ask for order status, balance updates, appointment confirmations, and more. Instead of waiting for a human agent, AI bots step in to respond instantly, delivering the right information within seconds. For example, when a customer texts, "What's my order status?" the AI can instantly pull live tracking details from the system and send them back, no queues, no delays. The impact is twofold. Customers get lightning-fast answers, and agents are freed from handling basic requests, allowing them to focus on complex or sensitive issues where human empathy and problem-solving really matter. In short, AI-powered autoresponses cut down waiting times, improve efficiency, and deliver the instant gratification customers expect today. Now, let's move to predictive routing, the intelligence behind getting every message to the right place the first time. When a customer sends an SMS, the AI quickly analyzes its intent and urgency. Using advanced algorithms, it predicts where the message should go, whether it's a routine billing query for the finance team or a critical complaint that needs immediate escalation to a senior agent. This smart routing eliminates the need for multiple transfers, ensuring the customer doesn't repeat the same issue to different departments. The result? Fewer handoffs, faster resolutions, and significantly improved first contact resolution, or FCR. By directing each query to the most suitable resource right away, predictive routing creates a seamless, frustration-free experience for both customers and agents. Next, we have sentiment analysis, the emotional intelligence layer of AI in the SMS journey. Not every customer message is neutral. Some carry frustration, disappointment, or even urgency. Sentiment analysis uses AI to read between the lines, detecting the emotional tone behind each SMS, whether it's happy, angry, or confused. For instance, when a customer writes, "I'm very disappointed," the system instantly flags it as high priority and alerts agents for sensitive, immediate handling. The impact is powerful. Upset customers are prioritized for faster response, reducing the risk of escalation, while agents get real-time insights to approach the conversation with empathy and care. In short, sentiment analysis ensures that behind every message, the human emotion is understood and addressed, not just the words. Now let's look at proactive messaging, where AI shifts from reacting to anticipating customer needs. Instead of waiting for customers to reach out, AI sends automated reminders, alerts, and follow-ups before they even ask. This includes flight delay notifications, payment reminders, or appointment confirmations, all delivered in real time across the SMS channel. The impact is immediate. It reduces inbound message volume because customers don't need to chase updates, while significantly boosting customer satisfaction by keeping them informed and in control. In essence, proactive messaging turns the contact center into a customer engagement hub, one that doesn't just respond, but actively supports customers every step of the way. Next, we have personalization and recommendations, where AI makes every interaction feel unique and relevant to the customer. By analyzing customer history, preferences, and past behavior, AI tailors responses and suggests services that truly matter to each individual. For example, if a customer's bill is due, the system can send a friendly, personalized prompt, "Your bill is due. Would you like to pay now via UPI?" making the experience both timely and convenient. The impact is twofold. Customers feel valued and understood, while businesses see higher engagement and improved conversion rates because the right offers and solutions reach the right people at the right time. In short, personalization and recommendations turn every SMS into a one-to-one conversation rather than a generic broadcast. I can prepare the next professional script for workforce optimization so your AI journey narration stays complete and presentation ready. Do you want me to create that next? Now let's look at workforce optimization, the AI-driven engine behind smarter staffing decisions in contact centers. AI analyzes historical SMS traffic patterns and predicts future volumes with remarkable accuracy. Based on these insights, it helps leaders schedule the right number of agents at the right times, ensuring smooth operations throughout the day. The impact is significant. It prevents overstaffing, which drives up costs unnecessarily, and avoids understaffing, which can lead to longer wait times and poor customer experience. Instead, it creates the perfect balance between operational efficiency and service quality. In essence, workforce optimization enables contact centers to stay proactive, cost-effective, and customer-focused, all at once. Finally, let's explore analytics and continuous learning, the intelligence layer that keeps the entire SMS ecosystem evolving. AI tracks message trends, recurring issues, and agent performance metrics in real time. These insights reveal where processes can be improved, which responses work best, and how agent training can be enhanced for maximum impact. The results are powerful: better service quality, reduced average handle time, and a culture of continuous improvement across the contact center. By learning from every interaction, AI transforms data into actionable strategies, ensuring customer support becomes faster, smarter, and more effective over time. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.